Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you, how to get into the IT industry and become a software engineer in 2024. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to transition your career, this video is packed with essential tips and insights to help you thrive in the ever-evolving world of technology. Let's dive right in.
Alright, let's take a closer look at the current trends in the IT job market. This is crucial information if you're looking to step into the industry in 2024. First and foremost, the demand for IT professionals is absolutely soaring. Companies across the globe are constantly on the lookout for skilled individuals who can navigate the digital landscape. Whether you're into coding, cybersecurity, data analysis, or even AI, there's a spot for you in this ever-expanding field.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning are also major players in the job market. Companies are harnessing the power of AI to automate processes, make better decisions, and even create innovative products. So, if you're fascinated by the potential of AI, this is a space you'll definitely want to explore.
And let's not forget about data. Big data and data science continue to be hot topics. Organizations are constantly seeking experts who can analyze and derive insights from massive data sets. If you have a knack for turning numbers into actionable information, you're going to find plenty of opportunities.
Now, while these are some of the big trends, it's important to remember that the IT field is incredibly diverse. There's room for experts in everything from cloud computing to software development, UX design, and more. So, regardless of your passion, there's likely a role that aligns with your interests. Stay tuned because in the next section, we're going to delve into the skills and technologies that are going to be in high demand. This is the kind of information that'll help you chart your course in the IT industry in 2024.
First up, we have Python. It's been a powerhouse in the tech world for a while now, and its popularity isn't showing any signs of slowing down. Known for its simplicity and versatility, Python is used in everything from web development to data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. So, if you're just starting out, Python is an excellent language to learn.
Next on the list is JavaScript. This is the go-to language for front-end web development. It's what makes websites interactive and dynamic. So, if you're interested in creating user-friendly interfaces and immersive web experiences, JavaScript is a must-know. For back-end development, you'll want to look into languages like Java, C, and Ruby. These languages are the backbone of many applications, handling the behind-the-scenes operations that make software run smoothly. Now, when it comes to web development, frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js are incredibly popular. They're used to build responsive and interactive web applications. So, if you're looking to specialize in web development, becoming familiar with one or more of these frameworks is a great move.
And let's not forget about cloud platforms like Oz, Google Cloud, and Azure. As more businesses move their operations to the cloud, expertise in these platforms is in high demand. Remember, the key here is not just to know these languages and technologies, but to be able to use them effectively to solve real-world problems. So as you're learning, try to build projects and applications to showcase your skills. Stay tuned because in the next section, we're going to delve into emerging technologies that are shaping the future of it. This is the kind of knowledge that'll give you a competitive edge in the industry. Now, let's talk about some of the most exciting aspects of the IT landscape, emerging technologies. These are the game changers, the innovations that are reshaping industries and creating new possibilities. Let's dive in. First up, we have artificial intelligence or AI. This is a field that's exploding with potential. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, make predictions, and even perform tasks that traditionally required human intelligence. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming an integral part of our lives. So, if you're fascinated by the idea of machines learning and making decisions, diving into AI could be a fantastic choice. Next, we have blockchain. It's not just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin anymore. Blockchain technology is being used in various industries to create secure, transparent, and tamper-proof digital ledgers. This has applications in finance, supply chain, healthcare, and beyond. Understanding blockchain could open up some exciting opportunities. Then there's the Internet of Things, or IoT. This is all about connecting everyday devices to the internet, allowing them to communicate and share data. Think smart homes, wearable devices, and even industrial applications like smart factories. the potential for AI is immense, and it's a field that's only going to keep growing. Cybersecurity is another critical area, especially with the rise of sophisticated cyber threats. The need for experts who can protect digital assets and data is more pressing than ever. So if you have an interest in keeping systems secure, this is a field with a bright future. And don't forget about augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR). These technologies are revolutionizing how we interact with digital information and environments. From immersive gaming experiences to training simulations and even virtual tours, AR and VR have a wide range of application. Remember, staying informed and getting hands-on experience with these emerging technologies can give you a significant advantage in the job market. So keep an eye on these trends and consider exploring them further as you pursue your career in it. In the next section, we'll discuss how to build a strong educational foundation to prepare yourself for this exciting industry. Stay tuned.
Now, let's talk about something that forms the bedrock of any successful career in it: a solid educational background. This is like the foundation of a sturdy building. It's what sets you up for success in the long run. Having a formal education in computer science, information technology, or a related field provides you with a structured learning environment. You'll gain a deep understanding of the theoretical concepts that underpin the technology you'll be working with. This knowledge is invaluable, as it allows you to not only use existing tools and technologies, but also adapt and innovate as the field evolves. In addition, pursuing a degree or certification program often opens doors to networking opportunities. You'll have the chance to connect with professors, fellow students, and industry professionals. This network can be incredibly valuable for finding internships, job opportunities, and even mentorship. However, it's worth noting that while a formal education is highly beneficial, it's not the only path to success in the IT industry. Many successful professionals have gained their knowledge through self-study, coding boot camps, or online courses. The key is to be committed to continuous learning and honing your skills, no matter your educational background. So, whether you're in a traditional academic setting or pursuing alternative learning methods, remember that investing in your education is an investment in your future as an IT professional. In the next section, we'll explore some of the best educational resources and platforms available to help you on your journey. Stay tuned. All right, let's talk about a crucial decision you'll make on your journey into the IT industry: choosing the right degree or certification programs. This choice can significantly impact your career trajectory, so let's break it down. If you're considering a degree program, a bachelor's in computer science or a related field is a fantastic option. It provides you with a comprehensive understanding of computer systems, programming languages, algorithms, and more. This knowledge forms the backbone of your IT career. Plus, many employers value a formal degree when hiring for technical roles. Now, if you're looking for a more accelerated and focused approach, consider certification programs. Certifications like CompTIA AE, Cisco CACNA, or Oz Certified Solutions Architect can be incredibly valuable. They demonstrate specific skills and expertise in areas like networking, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Employers often view certifications as a sign of dedication and proficiency in a particular technology or platform. Also, don't feel like you have to choose one path exclusively. Many professionals combine degrees with certifications to create a well-rounded skill set. For example, you might pursue a degree in computer science and then complement it with certifications in cloud computing or cybersecurity. Lastly, remember that there are many reputable online platforms and coding bootcamps that offer specialized training and certifications. These can be excellent options for those looking for a more flexible or accelerated learning experience. Ultimately, whether you choose a degree program, certifications, or a combination of both, the key is to be proactive in seeking out the knowledge and skills you'll need to excel in the IT industry. In the next section, we'll explore some of the best educational resources and platforms to help you on your way. So, stay tuned. All right, now that you've decided on your educational path, let's talk about the wealth of online resources, courses, and platforms that can turbocharge your learning in the IT industry. These tools are absolute game changers, so let's dive in. First up, we have platforms like Coursera, X, and Udacity. These offer a wide range of courses from top universities and tech companies. You can find everything from introductory programming courses to advanced topics like machine learning and cybersecurity. Plus, many of these platforms offer certificates upon completion, which can be a valuable addition to your resume. Next, we've got coding boot camps like General Assembly, Flatiron School, and Lee Wagon. These intensive, immersive programs are designed to get you job ready in a relatively short period. They focus on practical hands, on skills, and often have strong connections with industry employers, making them a fantastic option for career changers or those looking to upskill quickly. If you're more into self-paced learning, platforms like Codecademy, freecodecamp, and codecademy are fantastic options. They offer interactive coding exercises, tutorials, and projects that allow you to learn at your own pace. Plus, many of these platforms have vibrant communities where you can ask questions and get support from fellow learners. Don't forget about YouTube and online forums like Stack Overflow and Reddit's Raylearn Programming. These are treasure troves of tutorials, walkthroughs, and discussions on a wide range of topics. It's a fantastic way to learn from experienced developers and get practical tips and advice. And of course, there's GitHub, which is like the playground for developers. It's where you can find open source projects to contribute to, collaborate with other developers, and showcase your own work. Remember, the key here is to be proactive in seeking out the resources that align with your learning style and goals. Mix and match platforms, and don't be afraid to explore different types of content. The more you immerse yourself in these resources, the more confident and skilled you'll become. In the next section, we'll dive into mastering key programming languages and tools, so stay tuned. Remember,